How to see unfriend list on Facebook app. Now, to see your unfriend list on Facebook app, it is actually quite very simple. First of all, you want to simply go ahead and then launch the Facebook app. Tap on your profile icon from the top left to come to your profile page. Tap on the three lines option that you can see here. Then simply go to the one that is activity log. From activity log, you want to look for the connections option and open the menu. Then you can see the friends option. Now you want to also tap this little drop down arrow next to the friends option. When you do that, you can see one of those options that says remove friends. So now when you go to remove friends, you will see a list of the friends or your activity where you have removed someone as a friend manually. So you can see each of those people whom you removed as a friend. This way you'll be able to see the unfriend list on Facebook app. I hope that this video pretty much helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.